Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach how to use Canva to make step-by-step banner for YouTube. So basically you can see in my channel I have this banner, simple banner that basically show what's my channel do. So if you want to make the banner on Photoshop, yes, you can do it, and you can just make a new file, and in the new file you must make sure that you are using the size of YouTube banner. So let me check. So basically your size must use an image that at least 2048 times 1152 pixels and 6 MB less. So basically you need to use your Photoshop to customize the specific pixel size before you start. But there are also some more easy trick that you can use Canva to probably make your banner more faster. So first you search for YouTube banner in Canva, and as you can see there are many kinds of template that you can use, basically the specific size of the banner. So if you want to use a free version, you can just add the filter for free and you just apply. So after that you can see all the banner are free to use and free to use in your channel. And for example, you are making a gaming channel, maybe you can choose this one, as this is have colorful attraction, so that it maybe can show your characteristic of your channel. So you just press in and you customize the template. After that, you can customize your banner at here. Basically you can add text, or you can just customize the text. For example, gaming with John, you can just clean up this and just, for example, alpha gaming. Yeah, so you can just customize, or even you want to add your text, it's also okay. And the text can be customized with different colors, maybe different font, or even different size, or maybe other effect. So basically you can customize here, and make sure that your text must be at the middle of the banner. Later I will show you why. So basically this banner is okay, because if you open your YouTube, it probably will only show the middle part of the banner. The upper part and the bottom part will show in user using TV that are watching your channel. For example, I can show you here. So basically for the TV part, okay. So basically for the TV part, you can show all the banner, maybe some blank in my channel, and you can see for the PC is horizontal long, and for the phone is just a little bit from the channel. So basically let me show you. Okay, so basically this is mine. Okay, as you can see from the TV is whole picture that can be shown. For the desktop is just the horizontal part, and for phone or other maybe iPad is just the middle part. So basically your photo information probably need to show at the middle part of your banner, and this one can be scaled to different size based on your preference. And after that, you have just customized your banner. You can just share and just download to your file, and you can just upload to YouTube. So basically, like what I say, middle part is the most important. You need to include all your, maybe subscribe to my channel, or what your channel is doing to the middle part. Okay, so basically this is what example that are in my channel. You can take it as a reference. Okay, so basically that's all for today, and just remember the size must be 2560 1140 1440. You can search it out on Google. So basically that's all, and if you like this tutorial, you can just subscribe and leave a comment in our channel. That's all. Thank you.